today's episode we are doing something a bit different. I've got the boot lid board. Well, I say board, it's 2mm of something. So I'm going to redo that in 3mm hardboard. I would do it in ply, but the ply won't give that curve, so I'll just do that in hardboard. So I've got that to make. I've got the boot board which goes over the spare wheel. That's actually 3mm hardboard. You see it's all warped, distorted. So I'm going to actually do that in 9mm ply. I've got to take the, so this goes in the driver's side rear wheel arch, holds the washer bottle and obviously the boot board. So all I've got to do with that, they've only pinned that, so I've got to take the carpet off, try and get some screws in there. It's a bit wobbly at the moment. And then I need to clean that up. It's all flaking and rusty, so I'll do that later on. I've got the bit that goes on the side of the petrol tank. There's a little clip there, and that slots onto the strap of the tank. I'm going to do that in 9mm ply as well. Yeah. So then I've got to cover all of this with the new carpet that I've got inside the car, which is the light grey stuff, not this corded monstrosity that ERA decided to put in the boot. I know it's only a boot, but geez. And then I've got to fit all the carpets. I've got some of them cut or pre-cut. So yeah, I'll get all these made, get the carpets on, and then I can start fitting the carpets in the boot, and then that's another job ticked off the list. let that go evaporate a bit. I'll just show you some other bits I've been doing. So I've just, that's the rear water bottle holder. So I've just blasted that in the cabinet and silver hammerite. That's the wheel nut spanner wrench. And then these are the screws for the caps for the wheels. 4 of them are mine, 4 of them are Mark's, because he's having his wheels done. I've got the new starter motor which I fitted this morning. I put the boot insulation on this morning, sorry, bonnet insulation, which I'll show you once that's dry. So just got to have a hoover out in there. I've got a carpet to stick to the back here. You saw me yesterday do the wheel arch carpet and the water bottle holder, and then I've obviously got the other bit that hooks onto there and then just folds over and sits on the tank there, and then obviously the boot board. So, and then I've also got the wiper motor cover to go on, which is that. I've also got the battery bar to go on to secure that in place. I'll go give that a bit of a wipe up and hoover. I've gone for, obviously I've done carpet, everything else in the boot, but as you can see previous, I've got loads of leather left over. So I'm actually going to do the boot lid panel in leather. I think it'll look better. It will look better. It's probably going to get more scuffs, dirty scuffs than. So carpet might have been a bit. I think the carpet would have been too thick for the hardboard anyway. So. That is it. That is the poshest boot I've seen in a Mini. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I didn't like the old carpet. That carpet looks better, a bit posher. And I'm 80% happy with the boot lid covering.
That's getting changed then.
Yeah, that'll be changed at some point. So make sure it shuts. Yeah, lovely. So all I've got to do on the back is put the ERA sign on, the Mini sign, number plate, and then the rear is all good. Still well pleased with that bumper tow bar repair in that.
Did you get a shot of it before?
Yeah. Right, it's the front. Obviously I've got the lining insulation soundproofing on the bonnet. I did have to take that off to do that, which was okay. I've got the front lip to go on. Annoyingly, they're supposed to have, so that's the lip. And they have this little plastic trim, stops the trim from, or the lip from scratching on the bonnet. But this is obviously 30 years old, it's a bit fragile, so and it's not actually going on, so I'm going to try and put it on for now and try and find either another trim or get a bit of clear rubber just to put on the edge of it. Grill to go on, spotlights, I haven't got the lamps or the harnesses for them yet. I don't know why I ordered them. I've got the gutter rubbers to go on both sides, and I've also got the foam bit of rubber or foam that goes in the back gutter. So that'll be my next job. Bit of a clean, and I am going to be taking it out tomorrow. Daytime. We've got a local mini club meet, and I want to put some mileage on the engine.